Here we've got a Kia Sorento. It's come in the workshop because it keeps cutting out. Diagnostic fault code is 1188, low fuel pressure. You'll see, if you've been looking on some of the forums, you see they talk about the filter in the in-tank sender unit getting clogged up. So I'll just show you what that is, where it is, how easy it is to get to. So you pull this seat forward, lift this little flap up. This plate's just held on by 4 screws. They're a bit tight. I actually used an impact driver just to free them off, pop them out. Top of the tank there. The sender unit's already out, but I'll just show you the fuel is actually clean in there. Now, I just put this seat cover over the carpet because I'm going to be lifting the sender unit out, and rather than dripping diesel all over this carpet under the seat, pop that on there. Those are the screws that were holding it in. Got the sender unit out, it's already apart. And there's the filter. All nicely clogged up, all the way around. There's only a couple of bits of filter you can actually see that aren't blocked, and I think you'll find the crud that came off there is actually in there. So that was completely blocked up. This slides over the end. Let's get a better shot. That slides over the end there. You've got 4 tags on here. Just undo the fuel gauge plug from in the bottom here, and that slides off. You can get to this. So this needs a blooming good clean out, and I will put a new fuel filter on it because the customer doesn't know when that was last done anyway, and that will sort that problem out. So this is what they talk about, the in-tank. Yeah, look. Oh, that crud coming off there. Little wonder this wasn't getting any fuel up to the high pressure fuel system. But yes, give that a clean out. So if you're having this problem, fault code 1188, before you start fretting about injectors, just pull this sender unit out and have a look at this filter. Give that a wash out. That might save you a lot of time, money and grief.